25 years ago, the Dayton Peace Agreement brought an end to nearly 4 years of brutal war in Bosnia-Herzegovina. The presence of NATO troops played a central role in bringing the warring parties to the negotiating table. Once the agreement was signed, NATO forces oversaw its implementation. And we have remained on the ground ever since to help maintain peace and security in the Western Balkans. We have supported the government of Bosnia-Herzegovina to reform its security institutions. One of the most significant achievements has been the creation of the Joint Armed Forces. At the end of the war, there were more than 400,000 troops, bitterly divided between 3 armies. Today, there is a single professional army of around 10,000 soldiers and 5,000 reservists under a unified chain of command. Indeed, Bosnia-Herzegovina is now a security contributor, with its forces taking part in NATO's mission in Afghanistan. This is truly remarkable. It shows what is possible when difficult issues are tackled with ambition and a spirit of consensus. But 25 years on, there is still much work to be done. We cannot and must not return to the past. Compromise may be difficult, but it is vital if the citizens of this country are to have the lives they deserve. NATO will continue to support Bosnia-Herzegovina, but the future is in your own hands. With unity, determination, and with compromise, great things can be achieved. A quarter of a century after Dayton, it is time to recommit to peace, to reform, and to a prosperous future for all. Thank you.